Hello miners. Today, we're excited to introduce a brand new mining bot that has been verified and is ready to start earning for you. To get started, simply click the link provided in the comments. As soon as you join, you'll begin the process of accumulating coins effortlessly. Just press start, and the bot will begin collecting for the next 60 hours. To enhance your mining capabilities, you have the option to upgrade by purchasing additional CPUs within the bot. This mining bot comes equipped with a powerful script that does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's what you can expect. Support for multiple Telegram accounts *. Manage all your accounts seamlessly without any hassle. Completion of tasks without real verification *. Enjoy the ease of completing tasks without the need for extensive verification processes. Random skill upgrades *. Experience unpredictable enhancements that can boost your mining efficiency significantly. Open a cyber box set to the maximum price *. Tap into lucrative opportunities by accessing premium features. Purchase items in the shop at the maximum price *. Invest in high-value items that can lead to greater rewards. Automatically use items with higher reward points *. Let the bot prioritize and utilize items that yield the best rewards for you. Manage items in the accounts bag *. Stay organized and optimize your inventory with ease. As you can see, beginning a new session in Termux is straightforward. You'll start by entering the commands one by one, as demonstrated in the video linked in the first comment. First, you'll run the commands to update your packages. Next, you'll install our script. Once the installation is complete, open the script as shown in the video. To input your data, run "nano data.txt". To extract data from the bot, simply open it, and then put your device in airplane mode until you obtain a long URL that contains your user ID or query ID. Copy this information and input it into the decoder bot link provided in the comments to retrieve the necessary data. After that, paste it into Termux, then press "Ctrl+X", followed by "Y", and hit enter. Next, type "ls", and press enter. At this point, you'll need to modify the configuration by using commands as detailed in the video. After you have completed these steps, finalize your registration by pressing "Ctrl+X", "Y", and enter again. Now you're ready to launch the bot, as shown in the video demonstration. Once you start the bot, it will immediately begin working flawlessly and handle all the mining tasks for you. As you settle in, keep an eye out for other mining bots that may become available. Don't forget to like and share this with your fellow miners. Wishing everyone the best of luck and happy mining.